Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to separate text and number from data using right and left function in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see data we have, so our text on left side and our number on right side. Now you see text, now select, and then we are going to add formula. So we are going to add left formula for text ABC. Now paste, and you will find all formula in video description or in comment section. Now you see, so just add your cell number. Now you see A13, we added A13. Now you see left search. Now you see number 0 to 9, again you see, and then you see -1. Now press enter. Now you see text from this data, and then we are going to find out number from this data. Now select cell, and now we are going to use right formula to extract number from this data. Now paste. Now you see edit, again we edit right A13, so this is a cell number. Again you see cell number second time, so you can add your cell number. Again you see cell number, we added A13 +1. Now press enter again. Now you see ABC text, and then you see number 1 to 3. Now select. Now drag and drop like this. Now you see again select. So we are using right and left formula. Left formula for text, right formula for number, and you will find both formula in video description or in comment section. So you can just add your cell number. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.